Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2019 GMC Terrain and I will show you how to adjust the balance and fade of your radio speakers. This video will apply to GMC Terrains made from 2018 all the way up to 2024. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. In case one side of the speakers in your vehicle is not working, or maybe just one speaker is not working, first make sure to check the balance and fade of the speakers, and if that is all good, then you want to dig deeper and check the wiring, radio itself and things like that. Okay, so to adjust the balance of your speakers, what you will do, you will first press this large home button on the dashboard, and that will get you to the main menu. And then in the menu you will select the audio, and that will get you to audio settings. After that you will press top right sound button, and then you will have right here you can adjust your bass, mid-range and treble. But if you press onto the fade balance, you will go to a separate screen, and here you can move this cursor to set up the balance and fade of your speakers. So that means if I go all the way here to the left, okay, I can pull it like this as well. This means only the driver's side speakers will be working. There will be no sound from the passenger side. If I do it, for example, like this, only the left rear speaker will be working, right? So that's why I said always first check these settings. If you do it, for example, up here, only the front speakers will be working, and if you do it in the bottom, only the rear speakers will be working. So you can always play with this and set it to your desired position, right? Especially if you have passengers on the back seats. Maybe you want to have a conversation at the front and they want to listen to the music. If you set it up somewhere here, then you can do that. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.